Intellectual property has grown from a narrowly specialized legal field into a major force in American social and economic life today. IP today comprises 38% of our GDP and represents 80% of the market value of all publicly traded U.S. companies. We must do all that we can to prepare our most important innovators and creators, entrepreneurs, artists, and researchers to thrive in this world. Dr. Gary Michelson, one of the world's most prolific inventors, and the Michelson 20MM Foundation are proud to present the premier resource for developing an essential working knowledge of patents, copyrights, trademarks, and trade secrets. This offering includes an immersive and fully interactive textbook complete with rich multimedia resources, links for deeper learning, and built-in assessments to check understanding and keep learners on track. Embedded into the interactive text are resources like our 9-part animated video series answering common everyday questions about patents, copyrights, and trademarks. And coming this fall, a comprehensive introductory course with over 240 minutes of video instruction and a collaborative community of learners from around the world. These leading-edge resources will help power the new Intellectual Property Fellows Program, working to support IP thought leaders and establish new hubs of IP education across the country, starting with 50 of our nation's top institutions. Visit michelsonip.com today to learn more and help us usher in a new era in IP education.